Yeah. So, I hate motherfuckers around me that say they can't do some shit. Well, I ain't no studio director. I ain't no motherfucker engineer, none of that shit. I went to school for video and film. If anything, I'm a motherfucking editor. I'm a video editor. I went to school for that.
Someone with a 779 area code sent a tangerine emoji.
And Siri gonna be a nigga pop. I get booked for sessions right in the middle of shit. You know what I'm saying? I stop and keep going. This what the podcast was. I got 3 streamers right now. I got the phone, got the Nikon. You know what I'm saying? Got this phone, do live ups. Right now I'm gonna post my content. So y'all gonna see me doing a bunch of goofy shit. Right now I'm just in work mode. And my daughter wanna bother me. Oh shit, I ain't got shit to do but to sit here. I ain't clocked out of work yet. Dang, I got clocked out of work. I can't pay me. I don't got no money.
I just looked at mine and it says that I didn't clock in. It's not showing that I didn't clock out.
Me too. What the fuck going on?
Yeah.
Oh, it automatically clocks out for us on the 4. I just changed that. See? Ironic Studios, I'm always ahead of time. See, now you can't fuck up now, see? Look, y'all ain't gonna steal with me when y'all work for me on BD. I usually try to do that when I'm working.
Yeah,
on BD, you know what I have to do?
Time.
It don't matter. Your time is set. What it say? How many hours you work?
You gotta change my time because...
When you clocked in late?
Yes.
That's too late. That's on you, baby. You clocked in late and not getting paid today on BD.
That's on you because I couldn't clock in.
You right though. So like you got a perk. You gotta put that in the note though. Put that in the note so I can review the HR and which is you, motherfucker. Fuck you talking about? Go review yourself.
Sorry, my
Fuck wrong with you?
plans
And stop acting crazy ass questions then. That means you good. You see what I'm saying? Why she asked me a question to put her back in the box when she worked the HR department? Like she don't got access to all the motherfucking time cards in the company and she can change everything and steal everybody money for me if I wanted to be that type of guy. But I'm not. Cause I'm a great guy. That's what you talking about. My name's Peezy, guy. Hey, stop touching things. Little girl, you on the first episode. You have 15 seconds left without touching it. BD, you like my chain? Her name's Persephone, guys. Don't you know that? When I leave this bitch, I'm tell you she's gonna be the bringer of death. Her name is that. That's what it says. Alright? Now, that's Peezy Speaks Facts and Good Vibes Only. I'm gonna try to keep these bitches from like 10 to 12 minutes tops. Since it's the first one, I'm just gonna do, I guess, 10 to 12. I don't know. I just keep talking. I don't know what the fuck to say. I'm finna start trolling motherfuckers all day, every day. Like the newer motto is this. I'm exposing out. As soon as they play, I'm gonna put their ass right there on the plate and like serve them like a dish on the BDN. Cause I'm not gonna keep going through this bullshit. Fuck is wrong with y'all? I gotta fuck a whole job. And I had to get my own job. And my homie funny as hell about you think dudes fat? He gonna say he goofy. He's like, you think dudes are faggot because they're women in previous lives, and that's why dudes be acting like bitches on BD. Yeah. I think he ready to slap me out of shit. David, because why you get at me like that? You know, nigga, the phone be asking me questions like, "Bro, what you think about this?" And I be like, "I don't care. I don't know what you ask me for. Y'all not gonna like the answer anyway. I don't know why motherfuckers call me and ask me what the fuck they think, and they be like, I don't care. And I tell them what I think, and they be like, nah. I'm on BD. What you ask me for? But nah, that's stupid. I'm like, okay, well, I'm glad that's what you ask me for. Don't do the stupid shit I do. On BD, because I don't care. And I tell them, they wanna know it. I'm like, okay, alright, look. You what the fuck you think you can do then? They're like, nah, I need some info. But I'm like, alright, look, man, I don't know today. What you want me to do? If it was you, do what you do. If I was me, I'm going to slide. I'm BD. You want me to lie? But I'm just saying, you can't do that all the time. I'm just saying I know that, but you just act with the situation you just told me I'm sliding behind on BD. I don't know what to tell you, bro. That's too deep for me. If it ain't too deep for you, then let it go. There you go, there go the answer. If it ain't too deep for you, let it go, BD. Because I don't care. If that the shit you told me, I'm going to slide. On BDN. And that's done by his method. Okay, guys? See you next time.